Want to know how to delete a conversation on TikTok app? Hello everyone, I'm Yasmin from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to delete a conversation on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the inbox icon right beside the profile at the bottom. Likewise, tap and hold the chat you wish to delete until a menu appears. At the top of the menu, you can see the delete option. Tap on the delete option. A confirmation message will appear. Now tap on the delete option again to confirm your decision. So this is how you can delete conversation on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.